Thursday, January 12th. And I wanted to remind you about all of our upcoming classes. We sent out a class schedule on Sunday, I believe. So let's do a quick review. On Monday, January 16th, there's a Learn to Knit from 10 to 12. And on Saturday, January 28th, there's a Learn to Knit 1. Those are Learn to Knit 1s from 12:30 to 2:30. Learn to Knit 2 is on January 23rd, a Monday, 10 to 12. There's an easy cowl. Learn to knit in the round by making this cowl. Great idea. It's a $50 class, 2 2-hour classes, January 11th. Oh, that was yesterday. And the 25th. I don't think anybody signed up. Too bad. There's Learn to Crochet, this Saturday, January 14th, 12:30 to 2:30, and Monday, January 16th, 12:30 to 2:30. Learn to Crochet 2 is, that can't be right. Learn to Crochet 2 is the, okay, I'm confused. It's the Learn to Crochet 1 is on the 14th. Learn to Crochet 1 again is on the 16th, and I already told you that. All right, we have toe-up socks on the 20th. Then we have the Tentacula hat. Let me show you that. This is made out of Rios, and this is the Tentacula hat. That is on the 19th, next Thursday, the 19th, 11 to 1. Check that out. That is awesome. That's one skein of Rasta and a fox palm. Pretty darn neat. There's a butterfly wall hanging for macrame. That is Sunday, January 22nd and the 29th from 2 to 4. And Needle Felted Gnome is Friday. No, it's Sunday, January 15th from 1 to 2:30. That's this coming Sunday. And then Chrissy's doing the Beekeeper Quilt knit along. All these little puffy Beekeeper, you make all those little tiny puffs out of your leftover sock yarn. She wants to meet once a month all year and just be working on that project. So she's going to do that. The Beekeeper's Quilt from 2:30 to 4. Sounds cool. The Pixel Scarf is coming up. That's a crocheted project. Looks amazing. I've made one, believe it or not. It's the only crocheted thing I've ever done. And then my two friends, Amy and Kathy, we're working on our painting honeycombs jacket. We did that today. And last but not least, Gladys is doing the Amish rug, right? This is the Amish knot rug, which is so cool. This is all just torn fabric, strips of fabric, mostly sheets. The kits look like this, and they're all in different colorways. So you get a kit. Whoa! Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Crash. Crash. All right, let's try that again. I didn't fall. Everything fell but me. So, and then this is another colorway, right? So it's $65. It includes the kit and your 2-hour class on Saturday. It is this coming Saturday from 10 to 12. All right, that's an overview of that. Just a little hint, I keep adding new things to the sale table. These are these beautiful Theodore Pearls, Oxonometer Gradient Bamboo, 100% bamboo fingering in these two spectacular colors. I have 2 of these kits and 1 of this. They were originally $110. They're now $82.50. Just so you know, it's all good. Comes with a beautiful pattern. So, all right, I think that's it. Sorry, I had a camera crash. I don't think that's ever happened, but we recovered. It's good. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.